In this paper, an unmanned aerial vehicle equipped with a dual-arm robot system is considered. A camera is mounted in one hand, while the other hand is endowed with a wrist force, torque sensor and holds an object, peg, to be mounted in a structure, hole, fixed on the ground. The peg-in-hole is just an explanatory case study. The approach can be in principle extended to other tasks. The block diagram of the proposed control scheme has a cascade structure with an inner loop for the motion control and an external loop implementing the proposed visual impedance control laws. 3 novel visual impedance control laws have been designed in a common control framework. 2 first-order impedance control laws based on the transpose and the inverse of the system Jacobian matrix are proposed together with a complete second-order visual impedance control law. Visual information is employed to coordinate the camera motion, fixed in one hand of the robot, with the assigned task executed with the second arm carrying an object. In an innovative way, for each control law a suitable visual error is defined directly in the image plane, generating an elastic wrench component to nullify the pose error with a compliant interaction behavior. The proposed control laws have been tested in simulation by using VREP and MATLAB. An X-8 drone is endowed with 2 Kinov Myco 26 DOF robot arms. A camera is attached to the left arm, while a peg, conical pyramid, is attached through a wrist force sensor to the right arm. A hole is fixed on the ground. The goal consists in inserting the peg into a fixed hole starting from an assigned initial configuration using only visual and force measurements. 4-point image features fixed with the hole are considered in a square configuration, while 4 virtual image features are generated by using the robot arm direct kinematics. Both visual and force sensors have been characterized with an additive white Gaussian noise. The proposed control laws have been tested comparatively by tuning control gains to achieve a similar settling time and residual force at steady state. The achieved behaviors are hence similar, but the second-order visual impedance control law allows a better control of the Cartesian motion, avoiding the impact with the hole border.